Okay, Mama. Where's on? Where's on? Fika miawe miatoeni miawe Java wodo. Eh, fika misoma.
Los Angeles, California.
Miabe atutu banya Atlanta fia.
No, you CEANA Mantola fia.
Oh, since the first CEANA, you were here.
I was here.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Welcome back. And for your message again.
Message guy.
You from where? Everybody should support us.
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Yes.
And this is now your first CEANA, obviously not. And this
we
is
were in Canada.
we were in Canada and we had so much fun. You're back again to do the same thing. I am so happy to have you back. All right, looking forward to.
Now you are like CEANA's face.
I am now CEANA's face.
We appreciate you for all your help.
I appreciate that. I was only doing this because
You are now the PR.
Thank you. Fofo, Mapa Hong Kong Kealo. Your name, Mask. And you from?
Richmond, Virginia.
Richmond, Virginia.
Yes.
And this is, I know I've seen you many times, so this is not your first CEANA.
It's not my first
But
time.
this is your first in Atlanta?
In Atlanta.
Welcome to ATL.
Thank you.
And what is your message to everybody back home?
Should come over
They
here.
should just come and support
enjoy.
and just have fun. Amen. Mama. Hello.
This is my third year.
Amen.
2023.
Amen.
It's happening. I can feel the breeze.
You can feel it.
The bride.
You can feel it.
You know,
Amen.
I can feel it. So,
You can see it. You can feel it already.
It's exciting already.
Where are you
I
guys
love
from?
it. Yeah, we are just arriving.
Richmond, Virginia.
Which one, Virginia? You all came Virginia.
Yes.
And this is your first time in Atlanta?
Yes.
Amen. Welcome to Atlanta.
Thank you.
Okay, so I will see you in the hotel.
Yeah.
Any message for people back home?
Well, thanks for that YouTube video. Please, when she posts a video, please watch it for instructions. Please do. But anyway, I invite each and every one of you every year
Okay.
to join us
Okay.
to make this more successful.
Yes.
So, thank you.
Amen. Thank you. See you. Oh, talk to me, my sister. Welcome to Atlanta. What is your story for me? You from Canada. Hey, welcome. Canada in the house. What is your message, my sister? Welcome, my sister.
Thank you.
So, how are you
I'm
doing?
just so happy to be here.
We are happy to have you.
Everyone.
Amen.
I know we're going to have a great time.
A
We are
great
going
time.
to-
What is your name? I'm sorry.
Margaret.
Margaret.
Yes.
What do you have to say to people in Canada?
I'm so happy to be representing you guys.
Okay.
Next time, I hope you can all make it.
Amen. Next
This
time.
convention,
Okay.
and it's so much fun.
Okay.
You won't regret it.
All right. Okay.
Okay.